Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my online classes. How are you, my dear student? Hopefully, you are very fine and safely in your home. Okay. Now I am introducing. Myself. I am Jahan Khatun, Assistant English Teacher of Haji Afsauddin Girls High School, Hyderabad State. Okay, dear girls, today's subject is English for today, class 6, lesson 12, Bada Bangladesh. This is a nice passage, and in this slide, I show you the textbook. This is English for today, class 6. This is very familiar to us, and this is a map of Bangladesh. You can see a nice map. This is map of Bangladesh. In the map, you can see the middle section is a deep red color circle, and around the circle have many green area. So this is a map of Bangladesh. Okay, in the slide you can see a green area. It's a it's the natural scenery of Bangladesh. You can see the green field. It is very familiar to us, and this type of scenery around us, around our school, around our place, many area we can see. We have seen this type of natural scenery of Bangladesh. Okay, we are going to another slide. What do you see in the picture, student? You can see a lot of birds sitting on a branch at a time. When a lot of many birds sitting in a place at a time, that is called flock of birds. Here in the side picture also you have seen many birds sitting, flying. This is called flock of birds. When a single bird and flock of birds, you may understand from this line. So our today's lesson name is Birds of Bangladesh. This is a very nice passage. Pay your attention, be carefully. Okay. In this passage, you will be learn word meanings, some word meanings. Also, we will be able to identify many word. Will be able to write paragraph about Tia, and will be able to answer the question. Okay, dear screen. Here is the beautiful chart of birds. Chart. This chart is about birds, and in the you can see in the first picture have many birds, many color of birds. Some birds are red, some birds are blue, some birds are yellow, some birds are black, some birds are gray. The first one is robin, etc. etc. Some birds are teeny, some birds are small, and some birds are large. There are lot of birds flying in our area or around our garden, in our yard. This is very popular to us. Okay, in this chart, I'm going to show you in this chart many birds. Please tell me what is the name of this bird. This bird name is sparrow. Sparrow maybe look everywhere in our garden, in our our flower garden, our uh, uh, in our yard. Everywhere we can see this type of bird. The second one is eagle, that is always fly in the sky and always searching some food. This is a hunting bird, also called a hunting bird. And third one is, can you tell me which bird is it? This is a kingfisher. Always catch fish on the pond, on the water. You can see the name kingfisher. That is masranga. The fourth one is very common bird in Bangladesh. This is common myna. That means shali. Everywhere you can see this type of bird, and this is can you tell me the name of this bird? This bird is kakku. She sang her voice is very sweet and melodious. I think you imagine yourself, this bird's name is kakku. Very good. I am going to show you another slide about word meaning. The first word is worm. The second word is insect. Here is you can look ant. Sometimes you can see in your home the big spider, small spider, this type of insect. This size is very small. The next slide shows some word meaning, also show some word meaning. The first word is fruit. This is strawberry, very nice to you. The second one is flower. This is rose flower, very familiar to you. And the third word meaning is nest. What is the nest? Nest is a bird's house, that is called nest. Okay, this is very easy for you. In the next slide, I am going to show you some new words which is quite unknown to us. After listening this word carefully, we can you will able to learn, able to read, understand the passage very easily. Okay, let us go to see, learn the words. The first one is proud. That means prideful or lofty. That is, sometimes we feel proud of our headmaster. Sometimes we feel proud of our parents. Sometimes we feel proud of our mother. Sometimes we feel proud of our friends. That is called prideful. The second one is soil. The upper surface of earth. Earth meaning world. Earth. Earth meaning upper surface of the earth is called soil. Suppose in our field, some brown material, that is called soil. The third one is plentiful, large amount of or enough, a lot of amount or a large amount of enough. It is very easy for you. And the fourth one is big. Here is the meaning: nose, nape, bill, external structure of bird related nose, mouth. In our human body, in our mouth and nose related call is the lip, but in the base of bird, that is called nose and mouth related, nib and nose is called beak. This is very easy for you. In our today's passage about Moina, Moina's beak is Benibo's beak is black. The fifth one is springly. Here is the meaning: restless. Restless meaning very easy for you. Who is restless? Who cannot stay at a place for a long? That is called restless. As Benibo is a springless or restless bird. The sixth one is lay. Lay. Here is the meaning: put down gently and carefully. That is lay. Suppose a bird or hen lays a, an egg in a day, and a bird lays our today's passage. Benibo lays in it at a time 2 or 3 eggs. This is very easy for you, and put down gently and carefully. And the seventh one is Funa. Funa means creature or species. Creates everything in the world of the world, uh, that is called Funa. And next one is geographical. Meaning has the meaning natural or earthly. Natural scenery, natural location, everything is geographical. The last one is resources. Here is the meaning: asset, resource, money. Asset. I have a lot of asset. I have a lot of money. This is resources. Very good. You are now now it's time to read the passage. I just read the passage. You just listen carefully. Open your textbook. Lesson 12. Lesson name is Birds of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country full of natural resources. We are proud of our flowers, fruits, and birds. Today we'll read about a bird known as Benibu in Bangla and black-headed oriole in English. Here is a beautiful picture about Benibu. Its head and beak is black, and its body is yellow color, and its wings is white and gray, and it has the short nail. Okay, wings black or gray color. Then short nail is where tail is very short, and beak is black and hard. Follow the picture, student. Follow the picture, be carefully. And throat color is black, also black, and the body is yellow color flying. Yellow color flying. I think this is very easy for you, and this page is a copy from your textbook. Simply copy from your textbook, and now you have to read the passage Birds of Bangladesh. I give you just 2 minutes. Okay, my dear student. In this passage, I give you some information about Benibo. You just take your pen and underline the sentence in the specific word, which I say, which I read on the slide. Just underline the word or sentence. Today's bird known as Benibo in Bangla and black-headed oriole in English. Black-headed oriole seen of Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and some other countries. It looks like a moina and length is about 25 centimeter. Its beak is red and wings are black and tall shade. And Benibo oriole is a very restless bird, sprightly bird. Okay, its voice is sweet and pleasant, and both female or male birds are making their nest with dry grass and barks of trees. Okay, the oriole, black-headed oriole lays 2 or 3 eggs in a day. Okay, thank you very much. Very good reading. I think I think in this passage you already known about some information. So we can do pair works. Pair works means uh, two girls work at a time in a same work. Here in the slide you can see a nice picture, and I throw you some questions. The first question is, how does it look like? Please tell me the answer. How does it look like? It looks like Moina. The second one is, how many eggs does it lay? It lays just 2 or 3 eggs. This information has already known to us from the previous slide. Okay, now we do group work. Group work means when many girls work at a time, that is called group work. Please take your pen and write down a paragraph about Tia using the following point: appearance, food, habitat, and needs. This and etc. etc. And some clues uh, include in your passage, in your books. Please follow your books and write down the paragraph. Of course, doing group work about Tia. Now, the main work. Determine the following sentence are true or false. If false, provide the correct answer. The previous slide, you have already given some information, and that information helped you identify the true and false. The first one is, Bangladesh is full of natural resources. This is true. Yes, very good. This is true. The second one is, it has only flour. This is false. Of course, false, because it has bird, flower, etc., etc., animal, etc. And the third one is, Benibo looks like Mana. It's very easy for you. Good, it is a right answer, true answer. That last one is, it has 3 eggs at a time. This is also true. This is very simple, easy for you, easy to determine. Okay, thank you. And we come to the end of the work class. I give you some homework. The homework is about write down some of the dissimilarity between Tia and Doyle. Similarity means when two girls are wearing same dress, that is called similar dress. Or when two girls are wearing a different color, one girl is wearing a black dress and other girl is wearing red dress, that is called the two girls are dissimilarity. This type of Tia and Doyle different, but this is very familiar to us. So you can try to, in your home, you can try to write some of the dissimilarities between Tia and Doyle. I think, my dear student, after ending this class, you all enjoy my online class, and you will be able to learn the passage easily. Okay, keep your home safe, and always use masks, and always use hand sanitizer for refreshing your hands. Thank you very much. See you again. Thank you very much. Again, I give you thanks for watching the online class. I hopefully you all enjoy it and learning something from my slide. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.